In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Windows Copilot missing button. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's get right into it. So you've been using Windows Copilot, and suddenly, that handy button you've come to rely on is nowhere to be found. It can be frustrating, especially when you've grown accustomed to having the support of Copilot right at your fingertips. But don't worry, I'm here to help you troubleshoot this issue step by step. First, let's start by checking if you're using the most recent version of Windows. Sometimes, missing features can be linked to outdated software. To do this, click on the Start menu, then select Settings. Once you're in Settings, look for Windows Update on the sidebar. Click it, and then tap on Check for Updates. If any updates are available, install them, as these often come with bug fixes and feature enhancements. After doing that, restart your computer to ensure the updates are fully applied. Next, if you find that your Windows is up to date, the next step is to verify if Windows Copilot itself is enabled. To do this, go back to the Settings menu. Look for Privacy and Security, and then scroll down to find App Permissions. Click on that and look for Background Apps. Ensure that Windows Copilot is allowed to run in the background. Sometimes, permission issues might cause it to stop functioning properly. If after checking these settings, the button is still missing, let's try another approach. Sometimes, the issue can be resolved by restarting the Windows Explorer process. Think of Windows Explorer as the backbone of your user interface. To restart it, press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC to open the Task Manager. Once there, find Windows Explorer in the list. Click it, and then select Restart from the bottom right section of the Task Manager window. This will refresh your desktop interface and often resolves minor glitches. Now, if you're still not seeing that button, let me take you through checking your group policy settings, especially if you are on a work or school device. To do this, type gpedit.msc in the Start search bar and hit Enter. This opens the local group policy editor. Once it's open, navigate to User Configuration, then Administrative Templates, and finally to Windows Components. Look for a setting related to Windows Copilot. Be sure it's set to Enabled. If it's set to Not Configured or Disabled, that could be the reason you're missing the button. Alright, if none of those solutions have worked, let's look at your account type. Make sure you are using an administrator account. Sometimes, standard user accounts can lack permission to access certain features, including Windows Copilot. If you're using a standard account, consider switching to an admin account or consulting your system administrator for assistance. In case everything I've mentioned so far hasn't resolved your issue, it might be worthwhile to consider resetting your Windows settings to restore default configurations. To perform this, head back to Settings, find System, and then click on Recovery. Under the Recovery options, you'll see Reset this PC. This is a more drastic measure and should be considered as a last resort. Make sure to back up your files before doing this, as it could result in data loss. Lastly, if you're still having trouble and the button just won't show up, an alternative option is to reach out to Microsoft Support. They can provide more tailored assistance for your specific situation. So there you have it. We went through a range of troubleshooting steps to help you locate that missing Windows Copilot button. Make sure to go through each step carefully, and hopefully, one of these solutions will do the trick. If you found this video helpful,